Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your email with Gmail, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin enhancing your email security, open your Gmail account on a web browser. Once logged in, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. Click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. From the drop-down, select See All Settings. In the settings menu, look for the option that says Change Password. If your password is weak, consider creating a stronger password. A strong password should include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, enable two-factor authentication for added security. To do this, navigate to the Security section in your Google account settings. Find the option for two-step verification and click on it. Follow the prompts to set up your preferred method of verification. You can choose to receive a text message or use an authentication app. Once two-factor authentication is activated, review your recovery options. Ensure that your recovery phone number and email are updated and accessible. Next, check your recent account activity for any suspicious actions. In the Security section, look for Recent Security Activity. If you spot anything unfamiliar, follow the necessary steps to secure your account. Afterward, secure your data by reviewing email forwarding settings. Locate the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab in the Settings menu. Disable any forwarding that you do not recognize or no longer use. Additionally, be cautious with third-party apps linked to your Gmail. Go back to the Security section and find Third-party apps with account access. Review any apps and remove access for those you do not recognize. Finally, maintain regular updates to your password and security settings. These steps will significantly enhance your email protection with Gmail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.